The 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power driver's seat, dual airbags, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, trip computer, compass, bucket seats, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.